the Bermuda Triangle, the lost city of Atlantis, and the Lockness Monster. These are just a few of the countless mysteries that take place within the waters of our planet. To add some perspective, all of the oceans on Earth cover an area of about 362 million square kilometers. That's almost 71% of the Earth's surface. The craziest part about that large number is that over 80% of our oceans are unmapped and unexplored, so there's no telling what other mysteries are hiding beneath the surface. One of the most interesting traits about the ocean is the bright blue neon shine that can be seen at night. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. This occurs in several different forms of living organisms within the ocean, often being touted as the firefly of the sea. Bioluminescence can be found in fungi, bacteria, arthropods, as well as marine life like fish and jellies. It is the emission and creation of light which is the result of an internal chemical reaction that requires two of the following chemicals to take place: luciferin, luciferase, and photoprotein. When it comes to bioluminescence in the water, it is almost exclusively found in the oceans. Almost none of these bioluminescent organisms are native to freshwater regions. Off the coast of Denmark, you are able to observe one of the most peculiar sights on the planet. Here you see the Baltic Sea converging with the North Sea, with both seas seemingly never mixing. Some have described it as an invisible barrier that seems like the work of the supernatural. The reason behind the unusual phenomenon is due to the differing densities between the two seas, preventing them from mixing. There's been numerous studies conducted on this specific region of the planet because of its uniqueness, trying to further understand why the water density from the two regions are so different. In 2019, the University of Hamburg conducted a study of the climatology over the two seas, measuring variables like moisture, precipitation, and so forth. Ultimately, a definitive conclusion could not be reached. When discussing the mysteries of the Baltic Sea, it is hard to dismiss the anomaly. In June of 2011, divers from the treasure hunting team Ocean X made a unique discovery as they were scouring the depths of the Baltic Sea. After observing their sonar imaging, they came across an object that looked like it came from out of this world. Some have described it as a UFO, and others an underwater Stonehenge, but most have speculated it is nothing more than an unusual rock formation. Eventually, the team from Ocean X went to investigate the site and retrieve samples of the stone to be researched at Stockholm University. After further analysis, it was determined that the unique object was a rock formation that was likely caused by a glacier. I'm sure you've heard of crop circles in cornfields before, but have you ever heard of them at the bottom of the ocean floor? In 1995, off the coast of Japan, the first 7-foot mystery circle was observed. Since then, every circle discovery has been the exact same size and pattern. Researchers had no clue what was going on until they observed one being made in 2011. The culprit, a male pufferfish no bigger than 5 inches in length. Apparently, this is part of the mating process as an effort to woo the females. The construction of one of these circles takes 7 to 9 days of the puffer swimming in and out of the circle by digging their fins as they swim. Talk about mysterious love. This next deep-sea creature looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It is the Macropina microstoma, and it lives over 2,000 feet below the Earth's surface, thriving in the environment where the sunlight fades into darkness, featuring a transparent, fluid-filled dome on its head. Observing their bright and vivid internal structure resembles the sights of the galaxy. It is also known as barrel eyes because of the appearance of its tubular eyes. They are able to utilize their transparent heads to peer directly above at any potential prey or avoid any other predators. Who knows what other unique and out-of-this-world creatures are living down that deep? What is your favorite deep-sea discovery or mystery? Let us know in the comments. That is all for the depths below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. We'll see you in the next video.